Let's do it. The feeling I get when I listen to music, there's nothing that compares to it. Music's kind of taught me who I am almost. Whakalofalahi atu ki motorosi, ko e hingoa haku ko Tyrun. I'm Tyrun, and I am young, gifted, and brown. The earliest memory I always have of music is me singing "Hit Me Baby One More Time" in the lounge. Since then, I've always had that kind of pop star dream. I am of Niuean and Samoan descent. It's interesting trying to make pop music with a brown face, but it's something I really love. I really love the idea of kind of making music for people like me.
Even if I wanted to, I can never be you. It's a scene I played again and again in my head. So
I have always grown up listening to pop music. Like the Pop Girls, that's on my playlist, you know? So I really enjoy the challenge. For instance, like K-pop. So many Pacifica kids are so into that stuff, you know? It just pulls from so many different genres. So being able to take different influences and put it into this really fun pop track or pop concept is something that really excites me. And something I think we could do with a bit more representation. And I'm inspired by a lot of things when I write. As a kid, I grew up being really quietly queer. And I think a lot of those feelings I haven't been able to really express properly. So now it is something I kind of touch on, just being queer and brown and being in the diaspora, being in Aotearoa, writing about love, writing about my partner. I write a lot about him. He likes to call him my muse. I write about my family. My sisters, they're like my biggest fans. They're always rooting for me, and so when it comes to music, I send my music to my sisters. The same with my parents. I'm inspired by the idea of making them proud. I grew up really denying a lot of my brownness. I always felt so embarrassed not to be able to speak either like Samoan or Niuean. I always felt brown, even if I wasn't always accepted as brown.
I've been feeling like I'm underwater.
My last song that I released is called Sailor, and I wrote it about kind of being really confused about the idea of me feeling like I'm a navigator, but I'm in such a kind of Western world. So there's kind of that confusion of, am I a sailor, am I a navigator, am I a brown person, am I a whitewashed person, you know, those kinds of ideas. And it's something I kind of want to write more about, that journey of what it means to be Niuean. This year, I will be working on an EP that will be mixed English and Rangaho Niue. 90% of Niueans are in the diaspora now, and of that 90%, it's like 11% that speak the language. My idea around it is that if I can pick up like a language because I listen to K-pop, surely there are other people that can pick up Rangaho Niue if they're just consuming the type of media that they actually want to consume. I have a responsibility almost to engage with Niueans in the diaspora, because I know if I had Rangaho music that I really connected to, I think I maybe would be a lot more confident in speaking it.